officially like unpacking some of the stuff when I went to storage. So if you guys are new here, I've seen so many people are subscribing now. So welcome to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome girlies. If you watched my past videos, you've seen that we were traveling to Florida, moving here, and we're officially here. So we bought a house and now we are pretty much gonna be unpacking. I went to storage today and got some boxes, but tomorrow the movers will officially move everything in. So hopefully no more sleeping on the air mattress. So, cause that hurts my back so bad. Yeah, so if you enjoy these types of videos, let me know in the comments down below. I've seen a few like requests. I've seen a request for like try on hauls for like clothes and stuff. So what I might do on Sunday, I'll probably go to like Marshall's, and then what we could do is like pick out some clothes together, and then we can just go to the dressing room and I can like show you some outfit ideas for like maybe spring, or just like in general, just seeing what I find and like what I like or whatever. And then like show y'all. That's heavy. But yeah, I'm so excited because I bought some bowls and I think some types of plates. I don't want to knock anything over. Some plates. Forgot Trey picked out these coasters. He really liked these gold coasters. And then I have some bowls, some cereal bowls. Let me go ahead and open them up. Nice, hopefully y'all can see. So I got these from Tjmaxx. They were for $12.99 for 4 of them. I am super obsessed with these. These plates actually match my coffee mug. I found the coffee mug. I was hoping to, like every time I go to Tjmaxx or Marshall's, I'm like heavily looking for the coffee mug. I'll show you real quick. I just used it this morning, but y'all, look how nice this mug is. It has like little speckles on it. So I found the plates and I just ended up getting like all of them. I bought these from Tjmaxx as well. They kind of match like the tones and stuff. So I just have 2 of those. Oh, I got 6. Wow, why did I buy so many of these? So I bought 6 of these plates. That's so funny. Ooh, good thing there was nothing else in that. I bought 6 of these. Hold on. And then I got these wider kind of bowls right here. I figure like if I made like salmon, so we do like rice and salmon and kind of stack it and put some avocado. And I just thought this would be like a great bowl for like that type of meal. Sorry if y'all can hear the washer, but this other item that I got was from Tjmaxx. It's this ginormous salad bowl. I got for $20. I bought it in Texas. When I did come to Florida, I did find it here.
Taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around no more. 'Cause you just wanna play with my heart and
all our stuff moved into the house today, so I have to meet the movers at storage, and then we're all gonna bring we're gonna bring all my stuff back here, have them unload it, and then little by little, I'm gonna start unpacking and stuff. So, but yeah, I'm really tired, you guys. I can't wait to sleep in an actual bed again. We're on night 2 of sleeping on an air mattress. The first night, it deflated on us. Last night, it only like deflated a little bit, so I wonder if maybe Travell was jumping on it the first night and somehow it just started having the air come out or whatever, or if the button was like pushed down a little bit. I don't know. So what we have going on today, I picked up a little bit, which I'll show y'all, because I was able to go to storage myself and pick a few things up from there that I had left in the front. So I had already organized, which I think I already showed y'all. I already showed y'all in another video, but I have like all my plates already up here. Like my oatmeal bowls, my salad bowl that I bought from Tjmaxx, and then just like certain things that I have packed. So just now starting like put my seasonings up there, and of course we already have our coffee machine. I'm gonna reorganize this stuff. I do like the look of it, but oh, someone's calling here at storage. All our stuff being packed. Girlies. Okay, girlies, so we officially have all of our home goods stuff. All of our stuff is here. Crazy. I just can't believe we finally have everything at the house. So now I just need to unpack everything. I don't know if I should just start in the kitchen, because obviously I need to cook stuff. So maybe that's where I'll start, is the kitchen. But yeah.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know, I know. You got desires. I know, I know.
All right, y'all, this is coming along. I'm gonna put my seasonings in here. All this stuff I got from Amazon, so everything should be linked in my storefront, but all of these are going to be labeled in order. They're all going to be in order, but I got all of these off of Amazon. It comes like with the little stickers.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every time I had to talk inside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist different priority. I try to pay all your long.
Okay, so I was able to take everything off. I'm recording this like just a few days after doing all of this, but we have our table like set up and stuff. I know the drawers are out this way and the chairs like the opposite way, but honestly, I don't plan on putting anything in here. So I think when I'm doing like videos and stuff, I might just like have it as a focal point right here, possibly. I'm not sure, we'll see. But I don't need to use the drawers behind. Plus, I love when you walk into the door. It's like the focal point. So, and then I have the vases back here. I still have to fill this one up with pampas and stuff. But this is what we have so far. This is going to be like our beauty room, office room. So, and Emrys is upset. So I have Amazon coming, but I have to get this video up before 2:30. I need to have it ready to go, so that might be in a different video. We'll do like a haul unboxing video. I bought some stuff from Target to try on, so if you do like try on videos, definitely stay tuned for that video. I bought some stuff from Target. I did get this cute little outfit, like this shirt from Marshall's yesterday. It's from Sincerely Jules, and I got it for $10. I absolutely love it. Love how all the sleeves are. They're just like wide or whatever, and it's so soft. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and then I'll start a new one for y'all with like what I purchased from Amazon and also what I bought from Target. So stay tuned for that, and then we'll just make like a whole vlog and stuff, because I still have a lot more to do in the house. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, girlies, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. 'Cause I don't want this simple life.